Jaiswal Neco Industries Limited is a successful and fastest growing integrated steel plant, which is mere a 15 years young company under the umbrella of Neco Group of Companies. Jaiswal Neco is situated at the heart of Rice Bowl at Raipur, Chhattisgarh and is spread over 1600 acres. Behind the success of Jaiswal Neco, there is a strong and reliable infrastructural backbone, supported by coal mines, metal mines, water reservoir with 45 days storing capacity within the plant. It has its own exclusivity with well-connected network of roads and highways, has its own dedicated railway siding to speed up raw materials into plant and rushed the finished product into the witty market. Jaiswal Neco creates value-added products and the product mix that is widely consumed by automobile sector, engineering sector, commercial sector and other manufacturing sectors. Jaiswal Neco have the mini blast furnace. It stands at par with iron giants for its productivity in BF 3.48 metric ton. It has two sinter plants with sintering area of 36 metric square and sinter production of 8.40 lakhs meter ton per annum. It is also first in India to have stamp charged non-recovery coke oven. Neco is also renowned for producing alloy steel. It is the largest producer of spring steel in India. Raw material. Raw materials such as iron ore, coke and dolomite are received by the rakes and are unloaded by the wagon tripler, whereas other materials are unloaded in truck tripler. The raw materials are stacked and are reclaimed in the stock houses through a set of conveyor and dual-purpose equipment called stacker cum reclaimer. Coke oven. Jaiswal Neco has a non-recovery stamp charged coke oven with capacity 1 lakh metric ton per annum. It has 22 numbers of ovens with 2 numbers of operational batteries. This technology gives cost advantage by blending non-coking coal, which is not possible in conventional coke ovens. The raw material coking coal is imported from Australia and the anthracite coal is imported from Russia. Sinter plant. Sinter plant reutilizes the rejects of blast furnace, utilizing fines of iron ore and fluxes. It is the first sinter plant in India to use only blast furnace gas as its fuel. Sinter is produced by the agglomeration of fine ore particle due to incipient fusion of high temperature and is sent to the blast furnace, which acts as a replacement for costly iron ore. Blast furnace. Jaiswal Neco has the most equipped blast furnace with latest state-of-art technology. The prepared burden is sent through the skip car to the top zone of the blast furnace. The hot metal so produced is used for making pig molds and steel. The hot metal produced from the blast furnace cast house is sent through loco and ladles to the pig casting machine. It has 4 strands each with 300 molds. Jaiswal Neco is famous for its premium surface quality of pig molds. Steel melting shop. The liquid hot metal is charged directly to the electric optimizing furnace. Oxygen lancing being done through automated Alarc jet system helps to make cleaner steel. Liquid steels after being tapped undergoes further processing called the secondary steel melting before the steel is cast. Refining of its chemical and mechanical properties are being optimized and controlled at ladle refining furnace, and the tramp elements from liquid steel are removed at vacuum degassing unit. Billets are formed when the clean steel undergoes a process of solidification under controlled cooling condition through continuous casting machine. Jaiswal Neco was first to adopt overhead cross transfer and turnover cooling bed mechanism for uniform cooling of billet surface. The steel melting shop produces steel billets of special alloy steel, free cutting and ball bearing steel, high tensile steel for transmission towers and special round billets for manufacturing seamless pipe. Rolling mill. Jaiswal Neco has entered into the finished steel market with newly established bar mill, wire rod mill and hot strip mill. It has high-speed, fully automated mills. Billets discharged from reheating furnace are rolled to flats, rounds, round corner squares and wire rod. Jaiswal Neco has its uniqueness in rolling special alloy steel. Finished product takes its final shape and size, passing through hot saw and Garrett coiler. The end products of rolling mills are hexagons, rounds 22 mm to 100 mm die, round corner square 40 square mm to 100 square mm, wire rod 5.5 mm to 32 mm die, and flats available at all sizes. Steel melting shop and hot strip mill. The company, to spread its wings in the steel industry, has established another unit with a steel melting shop of capacity 4 lakhs metric ton per annum. The process automation and the advanced control in SMS help to produce cleaner steel. The molten steel is casted to slabs through continuous slab caster. The slabs reheated in the reheating furnace passes through 6-strand tandem finishing mill to produce hot rolled coil. The product range of HR coil varies from thickness 1.6 mm to 12 mm and width 250 mm to 450 mm. HR coil is widely used in tube and pipe industry, cold rolling, razor blade, construction and bicycle industry. Direct reducing iron. To have a competitive edge in the steel, industry has established an alternate iron producing route with DRI plants of capacity 2.8 lakhs metric ton per annum. The sponge iron produced is used for self-consumption at SMS and is directly sold into the market. Power plant. Jaiswal Neco has captive power plant of 53 megawatt capacity, utilizing waste gases of blast furnace and DRI plant. Excess power after self-consumption is exported to the state grid. Quality assurance. To assure customer satisfaction with respect to quality, the company has its own quality assurance department equipped with latest technology and equipments. Jaiswal Neco believes in people, driven by passion for technical excellence, and the vision of a leader lives through the dreams of young man.